Hello, welcome to Brenna's Bargains. On today's video, we're going to have the clearance event Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is going to be epic. Additional 50% off. This has a lot of hidden treasures in this video. You're going to like this video. I'm telling you. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm telling you, I have lots of goodies. You don't want to miss this video. Okay, I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. All these items were going to be additional 50% off on the clearance event. Okay, these are items that are a go. They're on the tables already. They're setting it up. This is amazing. I have lists in here, so you're going to want to watch this video. So just keep in mind that I did not put the prices like the additional 50% off in here. I gave you a little bit of list on that. I gave you lots of little other gems in here. Make sure you clip your coupons. Make sure your coupons are marked. So if you find something, scan, scan, scan. I definitely have a charger because I'm telling you, I was hitting the stores today and literally on the 5th store, my battery started running low. So I'm telling you, you're going to need a definite backup charger on the clearance event because you will be scanning like crazy. You'll be adding coupons. Make sure you add your phone number when you check out. You know the drill if you're a Saturday shopper, but just in case you're new to Dollar General, there are some items that will ring up for maybe even freebies. Some of these items could be down to 20 cents, 50 cents. So yeah, you definitely have to clip your coupons. Be careful because some coupons expire. We do get new coupons on Sunday, and I did put a little bit of the ad of Sunday in here as a little bonus just so you can be aware of what's going to be coming up. There is going to be new clippings, and I didn't cover them all, of course, but I did cover a couple of them, just so, like a couple pages worth. Just so you could check it out, and if you want to, you could screenshot it just so you could see what's going on for Sunday. Okay, if nothing else, you could always just Google it. Of course, it's not hard to figure out. You just add for Dollar General weekly ad flyer, and then you just add the date, and usually scroll down and you'll find it. So you could always look up the ad a week in advance if you need to. All right, so make sure as you're going along, you clip your coupons. I'm telling you, this is going to be amazing. There's lots of goodies in this video. I have some lists towards the end. I have a list to help you out on 50% off. I have a list of some clearance things. I don't have everything in this video. This is because the videos get super long, and I have to cut it. It's like you can keep going. You can easily keep going and do another list and another list and another list. And you're just like, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. So I do have some lists in this video to help you out. There are so many shampoos, conditioners. I'm starting to get excited about this because I love stocking up on my shampoos and conditioners. And if nothing else, if you don't see a coupon you want, wait for it, okay? Wait for it. Because there's going to be some Sunday coupons that are coming out, and it will help you out on, not on everything, but on a couple more items. We do have some coupons coming up. So awesome. I might just let the music play. I'm not sure. I'm kind of tired. It's been a long day, and I'm going to put this video out in the morning for y'all. So y'all going to see this in the morning. So I want you to get excited about the clearance event. This is coming up. It's going to be really, really, really good, y'all. It's going to be good. Like this video. Share this video with a friend because the clearance event, this is not pennying out, okay? This is not penny, but you can score and coupon and get some gems because, like I said, these are half off. So it's like $5 is $2.50, so on like that. $10 is $5, things like that. But you can really find shampoos for under $3, $2, down to $1 with a coupon. Yeah, it can be really cool and exciting. And you can hit store to store. And a lot of these things are hidden. I'm telling you. I went to several stores. Only like 2 stores were set up so far. Of course, they have some days to set it up. But 2 stores were only really ready for the clearance event, and the rest of them were just not even close. So that means you will find hidden gems on the regular aisles, okay? You just got to know what to look for, okay? That's why we give you tons of visuals. I always still encourage you to watch several YouTubers because they'll cover one thing that I didn't cover, and I'll cover something that they're not covering, okay? So that's why we're here to help you out, okay? We're helping you to get visually prepared, and if you need to screenshot something just to help you out, every Dollar General is different. Like you'll find some things real easily at some Dollar Generals, like they're lined up on the table and they're ready to go. And other ones you have to just scavenger hunt and look on the aisles, and then you might only find 4 or 5 items in that store of, like, let's say in the shampoo section or something like that, and it won't be as much as you thought you were going to find. So, but you can score. I'm telling you, you can score. And the shampoos, conditioners usually go fast. So yeah, you have to just watch out for these items. I'm telling you, especially the name brand ones, they go very, very fast. And so there is some Dollar General, shampoos, and those ones usually sit and stay behind. So the name brand ones go fast, and definitely, like I said, scan away, clip your coupons. Don't forget to put your phone number in. And I'm just gonna probably let the music play because I'm telling you, it speaks for itself. Y'all know the drill. Just in case you're new, this is what it's like. And some stores are marked and some are not. So that's why it becomes a scavenger hunt and a treasure hunt. But I'm telling you, there's some really good ones out there that are coming up. So awesome. I hope you all do well on the clearance event. I'm telling you, there's some really good ones. And I'm going to get out some more videos for y'all. So stay tuned for that. And I'll just let some music play.
Like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
Alright, just so y'all know, I'm trying a new app with new different music. And let me know below if there's any music requests or anything you'd like to hear. I'm trying a new feature on my YouTube channel. So I'm excited about it, just like I'm excited about this Dollar General clearance event. And don't forget, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And definitely good stuff starts going Friday. Saturday, you're going to want to use your 5 off 25. And you can get carried away with Dollar General. So try to stay on the budget. Try to coupon and get all the goodies. I'm telling you, it's exciting. I'm getting more excited about it every day because I keep finding more gems. And so I hope you all like it. And let me know what you think of the new music, all right? Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. So now we are coming up with a lot of discontinued lists. So if you like to, you can screenshot this. I apologize. Some of these visuals were a little blurry. I did not realize it when I was taking the picture that they were so blurry on some of them. So I had to delete a couple of them. And that's why sometimes I'll change it up and I'll put the UPCs in a different way and so you can just read it better. Okay, and that's the reason why I'm changing it up. It's just because it's hard to read, and sometimes my visuals are just blurry and they don't come out right. And I apologize about that. So I just gotta learn to slow down in the stores and take my time a little bit more, because sometimes I'm just in a hurry. Also, don't forget there's some gems at the register. I found 2 gems on candy, and things are going they're actually pinning out. So definitely walk around and scan, especially if it says 10% off. Scan away, okay? Because there was a couple of them that turned and they are a penny right now. So you can score some pennies. I'm just letting you know. So I found 2, and I'll be share with the other one at the end of my video, because I did get a little box of it. So definitely, I'm telling you, there's some things that just are turning and we're just not catching it all, because we had that penny extravaganza earlier. And I'm telling you, there was lots of, I was trying to tell you there was some food that was turning, and I kept finding it in stores and stuff, but I didn't put them in videos and stuff. But I'm just telling you, there is some hidden gems. I even think there's a ranch. I mention it in the videos, but I don't give you actual stuff. So I'm telling you, there's some hidden food gems. So you just scan away, okay? Scan away, because some of the stuff is turning and it's unexpected, okay? I'm pretty sure the employees are starting to catch it. But also just a friendly reminder, if it's out of expired, they're not going to sell it to you. So also keep that in mind, okay? All right. Also, there's totes, and I put some totes in this video. And the reason why I put the totes in this video is not just one manager, but several managers told me that totes should be in the clearance event. And they said that it's the Christmas totes. And I kept thinking to myself, well, that's not on the list. And so, but they're saying that they should turn on the clearance event. So I threw them in here in this video towards the end of this video. So we're going to have to just watch and see what happens on Friday and see if it actually turns or not. But I did throw those UPCs in here towards the end of the video. Lots of discontinued items. Like I said, I don't have them all because a couple of mine are blurry, and I'm kind of sad about that, but that's the way it goes. Sometimes it just happens, and I've really tried to clear it up, sharpen it up and all that, and it wouldn't budge. So I kind of miss my old phone because the pictures were a lot more clear than this one, but that's all right. It happens. I should have just took a couple shots instead of just one shot. It happens. But awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's wrapping up. Like I said, I shared the screenshots of the thing, and I'll share you. Here's the tote, and then I'll share that extra penny found that I found. And y'all have a blessed day. I'll have some more videos coming, so stay tuned for that. Take care. God bless. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.